Humintas. A main dish from Bolivia. Serves 4. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a 9-inch baking pan with vegetable oil cooking spray. Step 2. In a blender or food processor, puree the corn and milk until smooth. Step 3. In a large mixing bowl, stir together the cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, salt, anise seeds, slightly beaten egg and egg whites together. Step 4. Stir the beaten eggs and the corn puree into the dry ingredients until just moistened. Step 5. Spoon the batter into the prepared pan and cover the top with cheese. Step 6. Sprinkle with paprika. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.